Okay.
Hey y'all, it's Tay Money. I'm with Dr. G, and he just adjusted my back, and woo, you need one. I need one. We all need one.
Hey everybody, we got another great video for you today. Dr. G, I'm here with Tay Money.
Duh.
We're about to get into this. So we're gonna have to take your shoes off.
Okay.
And then you're gonna keep your feet planted there.
Stop.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go like. Is that okay?
Yeah, I mean, it's a little weird.
Is it making your finger go?
Yeah, I feel like
Like, turn your hand over.
he
like
wasn't lying about getting electrocuted, were you?
this. Let me see. But it just helps to loosen the muscles up.
No, I'm playing.
See that? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is this doing to me?
So what it does, it helps the muscles relax. It makes the adjustment go a lot easier. But
Wow.
if there's pain in the area, it decreases inflammation, so it really does help with pain too. But it stimulates the nerves directly, and that's why you'll get the muscle contractions.
Yeah, because I'm like.
Does that feel okay?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
It's good. I'm not scared.
Okay, good. You want me to go higher?
I don't know. Do I?
No,
Oh,
I
wait,
don't
you
know.
talking about the pulsation?
Yeah.
No, I don't know about that.
No? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Holy shit. Betty, this shit is crazy. It's like a puppet. Like, I'm like.
Oh, your reflexes?
Let me see. Put it on the side here. So, and I'm gonna adjust your neck, okay?
Okay.
It's gonna be loud.
I know.
All right.
But I'm a little scared.
Just relax.
No, wait, I'm scared.
Just put a little pressure, okay?
Okay. I'm scared. Okay.
You okay?
I liked it.
Okay. Right.
Wow. Yes.
Okay. Let's see.
What should I do?
Just relax. You can lay your arms there. You can let them hang however you want
Okay.
to do. Okay. And I know you're saying your hips have been tight too, right?
Yeah. Like wherever you're at is great.
Like right there. All right. So I just put a little pressure there. Do you stretch? Do you any body work, anything at all ever?
I work out. I don't stretch like I'm supposed to, but I stretch.
Yeah.
That's tender.
Yeah. Just tell me if it's too much.
You can feel it? No, it feels
Yeah.
great.
Yeah. It's better if we're able to use the heavier one, but you
Okay.
tell me if it's too much though. If not, I'll use a smaller one. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All that feel okay?
Yeah.
All right.
What it is that? I need it.
It's a 44-pound steel rod.
This,
Yeah. The other one's 22 pounds. I know, right? Why is it 44? I don't know. Yeah. It's very specific. I don't know why. So there. And again, tell me if it's too much.
I'm asleep.
Yeah. Here on this side. Again, tell me if it's too much.
Yeah, it's the second. I'm from Florida. The second I came, I was done. So I never had. I was big in my life. It's a whole different.
Does it feel good because it's so heavy?
Yeah. That's why I was saying, like, this one's better. We could use the lighter one if we needed to, but this one's going to feel a lot better. Okay, I'm going to put a little pressure there, okay?
Okay.
Good. Okay, go ahead and flip
Wow.
that across your arms right here. Okay. And bend this knee. Yeah, that's the best one. Good.
Wow.
Let's turn the other way. Bend that one there. Right there. Just relax right
Hold on
there.
1 second. Hold on.
Are you on the mic?
Yeah, hold on.
Right there, right there. Good. Whew. Now lay face up and just relax.
Wow. Wow.
You're gonna be
Even.
even now, right? You're gonna be taller. I don't know how much taller. We should be taller.
Are we done?
Yeah. How do you
No,
feel?
I want to do
What,
it
what,
again.
what else you want?
Looks so pretty. I want to do it again.
How do you feel, TT?
Like a whole brand new bitch.
I was hoping you'd say that.
I love it. Thank you so much.
No problem. No problem. Yeah.